Swear to God I'm faded. My bitch educated. Santa clients pay the payment. She don't need a job thing. My bitch strip like Teletone. Hit the strip like every week. Cause we burn her half an hour. Just that life that got no limit. My beats never be pimped out. Hondo out in town. It's like the nigga from New Orleans. I'm the nigga from the set though. Black been hot since get-go. Making money, niggas making money. Since the whole I'm still riding down some video. Real niggas know what the real strip be. Real niggas know what the real hit be. Real niggas know what the real lick be. If it all goes down, she down for me. If it all goes down, I done fell with her, fell with her. Yeah, yeah. I done fell with her. Yeah, yeah. I done fell with her. Yeah, yeah. I done fell with her. I done fell with her. Yeah, yeah. Say that. Swear to God I'm faded. My bitch educated.
Oh my god. Hello everybody, it is so Presley. It is currently February 16th, I think. It's 10 a.m. right now. I just finished brushing my teeth and I'm in the process of doing my hair. So today's Sunday and I started yesterday. Okay, so this is how much I did. And then I have this left. I made good progress though. I'm gonna start on this later, not now. So I don't know what I'm doing today. All I know is I need to do laundry. I need to clean. Bad. I think I'm gonna start with laundry because that's the easiest. I need to wash like all my dark colors. Cause today's Sunday and I have school tomorrow and I need my leggings. So yeah, I'm gonna start with laundry. That down to the laundry room and then be back. I'm not that good at doing my hair yet, so chill on me, okay? Not too much. Not too much. It's not even, okay? Just, it's a process. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna finish my hair today.
And I try to be strong. Saving you. See you in the sea.
make sure my hat's not bumpy like it was in the front. Hey guys, so it is the next day. Last time y'all saw, I was at the grocery store, and I did not finish my hair because I forgot we don't have school today. So I was not for the rush. But that's actually why I have this hat on. But we're on the way to Michael's. I don't know what I'm going to get. I just want to ride. So same thing happened with my with yesterday when we went to the grocery store. I didn't want anything, but I just wanted to ride. So I ended up getting some noodles and stuff. But anyway, let's go. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. They're sparkling. Loki wanna get this, like, it's $20. Hold on, cause why do I slick need this? $20, Lord. Okay, this was 11. And this one is 8. And they better look exactly like this too. I'm not playing. Oh yes, okay. Hey you guys, so this is gonna be the end of the video. It's the next day actually, and I'm about to start a new video. So yeah, I'm on my way to school, and I did finish my hair. I did want to show this as well. I did finish my hair, but yeah, I will see you all in my next video, which hopefully won't be in another month or two. It shouldn't be because I'm about to film now, but Lord knows how that's gonna go. Anyway, bye guys.